For breakfast today, I think I am going to make eggs and avocado toast. Noah, do you want to eat toast? You want to eat toast? Yeah. Moment of truth. It's okay. Okay, I'm just using half an avocado for now. I think I do try to use the whole avocado, but I'll have to see how even the spread is. Half an avocado is good. Break my bacon into pieces. And then top it off with my egg. Ta-da! This is my breakfast. I do usually add balsamic vinegar too, but mine is expired, so this would do. Bon appetit. Sip out of my coffee. When I eat breakfast, I'm already thinking about what to make for lunch. Give me a break. I'm like mom. Mom like makes a light breakfast and then she's already off at like 9 a.m. making lunch. I'm like, girl, calm down. Now look at me. I'm mom. Last bite. Powder mix. I have chicken breast and I'm going to use for the broth. These are huge. Look at that. Lemongrass. So now I'm going to mix in the flour mixture. I'm not really good at mixing or measuring the proportions, so I kind of just eyeball it. I might use like half a bag of this rice flour and then maybe half of this tapioca starch flour. We'll see. Yeah, let's do that first. And then half a bag of this tapioca starch. Now I'm just adding water to the flour to kind of create a crumbly dough looking texture. I thought about investing in a machine that does everything for me. I know there's pasta machines where I think a lot of people use to cut into noodles. I might buy one. Ouch, still pretty hot. I don't know if you can hear or see in the back, but it's raining pretty hard. It's been raining for like the past week or two. This is perfect. So this is perfect for a family of 4. It's hailing right now. Oh my gosh. This is the size. Oh my gosh. Last one. Oh. Electricity is about to die again. Done. Okay. Here are the noodles. Wow, Papo! This is my least favorite part, and it's shredding the chicken. I'm also going to put in 1 can of quail eggs because my kids really love quail eggs.
You're going to be stuck on either end of the center.
Thought I put too much noodles, but this was just perfect. Okay. I didn't have much veggies, so I just have cilantro, green onions, and lime, which I think it should be okay. Squeeze the lime. And then my favorite chili oil. And then 2 Thai chili. Bloop. Ta-da! This is my bowl. It's 12 o'clock, so it took me 2 hours to prepare the noodles, the broth, and to cook it. And so now I'm just going to eat. Bon appetit! Thai chili. That was really good. So we still have a lot of kapia leftovers, so we're gonna eat that for dinner. And I am also going to make this Korean barbecue ribs that my husband marinated last night. You see this? would do 20 minutes. Is it open? Hey, come here. Come here. You want Nana? The noodles are a little choppy now. Like they broke up into like small pieces. It's always best to eat it when it's fresh.
Ah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yum. That's
Mm.